Hi everyone, it's Erin. Sorry for the long sabbatical. It was accidental. So anyways, I'm back at it, making another video with the perfect bake. And this time it's going to be a video on something that requires no baking. So no oven, no microwave, just your fridge. And it's called birdseed bites. The ingredients are a little expensive, but it's really worth it. So if you acquire an ingredient here and there, the ingredients keep, so you just collect as you go, and they're really worth it, and they really taste really good. And I've taken them to work before, and they're pretty much a hit. So without further ado, let's get started. Open up the perfect bake. It's already plugged into the scale's already plugged into the iTouch. This is what we have today, but it could be an iPhone or an iPod. And we're going to hook it up to the scale. And this is it. Okay. Gonna look up what we're gonna make. This is them. Birdseed bites. They taste better than they look, trust me. Alright. Shows you the ingredients you're gonna need and the cookware. So you're gonna need a cookie sheet, the medium bowl, and a mixing bowl. Alright, let's begin. Alright, remove all the items from the scale except for the plastic tray, and then press OK. Prep. Bring ingredients to room temperature. That's already been done. Specifically, it asks for the sunflower seed butter to be brought to room temperature. That's what we've already done. Number 2, place the medium bowl on the scale. So we'll have all the bowls, but here's, since I'm zoomed in so you can see the screen this time. Yay, there it is. Green bowls on the scale. So now it's asking for the instant oats. And then when you start getting to the top, take care not to overflow. Oh, I went over. But it's still okay. Close this up, put it away. Sliced almonds. What's next? Alright. Forgive my barking dog. Shh. Sliced almonds. Chia seeds now. So here we go. Okay, a little bit more. Ooh, I dropped some on the floor. Oh, there we go. Alright, flaxseed meal. Okay. Oh, slight problem with the scale, but it's all fine. Sesame seeds. says remove from scale in dry mix. So just take it off, stir. Yeah, voila, it's pretty simple. Mixing bowl, on the scale. Boop boop. Sunflower seed butter. Now sunflower seed butter isn't really pretty looking. It's really kind of goopy and gross. It looks like sludge, but it's healthy. All right, so let's see how much this is. It's kind of half what it needs. Trust me, it's gonna taste better than it looks. This one looks just as gross, but it's of a more looser consistency. The other one was older, but it's still edible, is what I'm trying to say. I know it looks gross. Trust me, they taste good. They taste good. So, but now I'm just trying to take care and not put too much in here. Don't want to make it mad. Okay. Okay, honey. So tasty. Now it's asking for 1 teaspoon, yes, because it's a lowercase t, of vanilla extract. More. Just trying to be careful. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm just gonna do this. All right. Okay, now it's saying to mix together for 30 seconds. So we're gonna hook up the mixer. All right. And then we're going to take it off. All right, mixer, ready? And we're gonna press this button because this will activate the timer. Ready, set, go. Okay. Now it's saying don't forget to scrape the bowl. So gunk off that. Scrape the bowl with the scraper that I have. It's a tiny little scraper. I need to get a new one. Sorry you can't see all that I'm doing, but this is what it looks like now, combined. Gross looking, I know, but it's tasty, trust me. Trust me. Would I ever steer you wrong? No, I wouldn't. So, we are now adding the dry mix to the icky looking wet mix. And now it's gonna look all nice and pretty. So anyways, we're going to activate the timer once more. All right. Alright, I went a little longer than the timer because I didn't start right when the timer went. So this is now what it looks like. It looks like granola, and it's like kind of stuck on itself. There it goes. Okay, so now this is saying to chill in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna wrap it up and then I'll see you in 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes has passed. I took out the covered bowl out of the fridge and you can see it's all nice and cold. The birdseed bites might still be not as cold enough for putting them in the little balls, but we're gonna give it a try. Place the cookie sheet on the scale and to try to make each ball the same amount, and you want to kind of get it to that middle line between the green, and I will demonstrate it. As you can see, the little arrow is up at the top. Ooh, or it was at the top. But that was because it saw that the scale was there, but now it is back at the bottom to say, hey, there's nothing on me now. As if nothing is on. Wish you could see it better, but that's what we're working with. Just rolling in balls. Yeah, it's not as cold. The colder the dough, or the colder the material, the easier it'll stay together. So, oops, sorry. Here it is. I place it on the cookie sheet. Now it's above the green. So I'm gonna take it off. Take some of that, remold it. It's a ball again. Put it back. It's a little bit above the green line. You see that arrow? But it's in the green, so that's fine. Now what we're going to do is, since we're moving to the next ball, we're going to zero out the scale once more so the arrow moved to the bottom. And we're going to repeat. Too much, so take some off. Put it back. Still too much. Take some off of it. Pull it up. Put it back. Wow, still too much. Try not to be stingy on it. But here we go. I'll put it back. I'm close to the green, the closest to the line in the green, but that's what we're gonna do. And then keep going. I'll decide to make these, which they're really good. I mean, they look strange. I know I keep saying it, and it's probably true. You're probably thinking that looks really gross. But it's so tasty. Trust me when I say they're good. Ah, that one hit exactly on the line. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there in the middle. The rest And these are birdseed bites. Pretty simple. The only problem, like I said, was they're a little pricey, but they're so delicious that I would recommend them to anybody. They're good for people who are on a diet, people who work out, want to up their protein. They're full of seeds, sesame seeds, flaxseed meal, chia seeds, sunflower seed butter. Like, it's just protein out the wazoo. And like I said, they're gluten-free. I know that for sure. Vegan, need to verify that one, but they're healthy. Might not want to eat too many of them. Everything in moderation, you know. So, but other than that, they're really good. And all you need is a fridge and a mixer, and of course the ingredients. But there's no oven needed, no microwave needed. Somebody in the comments of the previous video mentioned something about a red velvet cake mug cake. I'm looking into that. I know on the app they do have a recipe for that, but I gotta get the ingredients for it. There's no set frequency of when I'm gonna make these videos. I know it's not gonna be another year between this video and the next one I make. I don't want to give you guys a set time, like I'm going to do one every week, one every month, one every 2 weeks. I don't want to give you a set time because I don't know. Because I was planning to do one every week last time, and a year rolls around and here I am making the second video. I could have made 50 some videos by now and been a perfect bake connoisseur, whatever the word would be. But I am just trying to get back on things and learn how to do the editing of all the videos and what's the best way to show you guys the perfect bake, showing you the scale, showing you the technology, whether it be the iPhone, the iTouch, the iPad. I don't have an iPad, or I'd show you that. It's a much bigger screen, so it'd be more efficient. You should probably get one of those. Or if you wanted to see me like you did in the first video I didn't know what I was doing, so it was just like trial and error. Here we go. So let me know in the comment section how you want me to approach it. I'll do my best. Let me know what else you want me to make. Probably won't venture too far away from the recipes already in the Perfect Bake, but luckily the Perfect Bake app updates regularly, so they'll come out with brand new recipes all the time. I'll check on it so that if you guys think of something off the wall or something so simple, you know, I'll make them. So chocolate chip cookies, I'll make it. Like I said, red velvet mug cake, I'm gonna make that. It's just a matter of when I'm gonna have all the right ingredients to do it. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'll be back with another one soon, I promise. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. Take care.